Here's the reason your belly fat won't budge after menopause. Your body is not refusing to lose weight, it's refusing to release fat. And insulin resistance is the lock. If you've ever said, I eat less, but nothing changes. I exercise more, but my belly stays. I feel like my body is fighting me. It is fighting you, and it's doing it for a biological reason. This video is for informational purposes only. It is not medical advice. Please talk with a qualified practitioner before starting or changing anything. Insulin's job is simple. Move glucose out of the bloodstream into the cell so it can be used for energy. When cells are sensitive to insulin, this works beautifully. But after menopause, estradiol drops. And estradiol is a major regulator of insulin sensitivity. When estradiol disappears, cells stop responding to insulin. Blood sugar stays elevated. Insulin levels rise to compensate. That's insulin resistance. Here's what no one tells you. You cannot burn fat in the presence of high insulin. Insulin is a storage hormone. As long as insulin is elevated, your body is told, do not release fat. So even if you cut calories, fast, work out harder, high insulin keeps fat locked inside the cells. This is why traditional weight loss advice fails so badly after menopause. When insulin resistance is present, restriction backfires. Undereating, it raises cortisol, promotes muscle loss, increases insulin resistance. Excessive cardio elevates stress hormones, drives fat storage, further locks in abdominal fat. The body interprets this as a threat, not progress. So it adapts by conserving energy and protecting fat. This is the missing link. Estradiol. It improves insulin sensitivity. It enhances glucose uptake in the muscle. It reduces fasting insulin. It lowers inflammation. When estradiol is restored, insulin levels fall. Fat becomes accessible again. Metabolism unlocks. This is why women suddenly say, nothing changed, except now my body responds. It wasn't willpower. It was hormone signaling. Insulin resistance isn't just a weight loss issue. It increases the risk of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, dementia, breast cancer, fatty liver, frailty. Belly fat is a warning sign, not a cosmetic flaw. And correcting insulin resistance is preventive medicine. So if fat feels stuck, if weight loss feels impossible, if your body seems unproductive, it's not defiance. It's insulin resistance driven by estrogen loss. If this helped you understand your body instead of fighting it, please subscribe. Because fat loss after menopause doesn't start with calories, it starts with insulin. And insulin responds to hormones. In the next video on the screen, I'll explain why lowering estrogen actually worsens insulin resistance and why lowest dose possible often backfires.